Welcome to the new database update screen for PayPak Professional 4.0. Let's get the program started so that you can see what it looks like. So we sign in, login ID, and the password. Here's the new menu screen, menu bar. Now, there's been some changes to this menu. We've added some additional entries such as the settings. The help has been expanded. It's a reference guide section and a website section. This is the admin section where the database updates are. So we'll click on that, and here's the new database update screen. Now, the first thing we'll do is have a look at this main area here where the updates are displayed. Each update has an ID number. There's a date, which is the release date from GreyNote software. There's a description of the update, and in this case, these are dummy entries here, just used for demonstration purposes. When the full version is released, when the final version is released, you'll actually see names of actual database updates in here. There's a column for when it was last updated. If it's blank, that means it was never run before. And there's an update now column, which you can turn on or off to select the updates you wish to run. Notice as we turn on or off the updates, the count on this side, the selected, excluded, and total, is affected. Now, we recommend when you run the updates to run them in the order in which they appear. Now, after you've run a particular update, by clicking on the update button, because it will run all of them in one go, all the selected ones that is, those ones that you've run will not appear on this list anymore. I'm going to show you that by turning these ones off, number 3, 4, and 5, and we'll run only number 1 and 2. So here we go. Update. There you go. And it says OK. Now watch what's going to happen after I click on the OK button. Watch the display at the back. I tell it OK, and it's now listed 3, 4, and 5. These are the ones remaining. And I could just run those again whenever I wish to do so. I could just turn off the ones I don't want to run and run the ones I do. Though we recommend that you run them in the order in which they appear and that you don't omit any. Now, there are some updates which it's possible to run them more than once. These may be recalculation updates and things of that nature. So what happens if you want to run an update that was done before? This is what you do. You come here where it says show all updates, and there you go. It shows the 5 updates again. 1 and 2 are listed. You will see they have the day, the date, and the time that they were done. And the update now box is turned off by default. That's because they were done before. But if you wanted to run them again, you could still select whichever ones of them that you wish to do. Okay, and if I turn this off, it goes back to the ones which are not done yet. There's a refresh button here, which will refresh the updates because maybe someone else across the network may have ran some of them since you came into the screen. That's a possibility. There's an all and a none button. If I turn off, click on the none, they all go off. If I click on the all, they all go on, which allows for quick selection. If you've got a list of, say, 10 updates and you just want to run 2 of them, you could have clicked the none, turned them all off, and just ticked on the 2 that you wish to change. Likewise, if you've got a longer list and most of them were run already and it looked something like this, you could click on all and it turns them all on. You just turn off the ones that you don't need. Okay? So let's go again. There's a refresh. And if I run, let's say I'm going to run, I feel just like running, for some reason I don't want to run number 3, don't want to run number 5, I'm just going to go with number 4, and I'll update that. And if I turn on my update log, I can see that this one, number 4, was run at 4:16 after these other two. Now this screen is a big improvement over the previous method that we used to handle database updates. And before there was just a number, this ID number here, and the software would just keep track of the last update number that was done. It did allow you to go back and run past updates, but it never told you what day they were done. What date and time they were done. Excuse me. This new version also saves a log, and if I were to rerun this entry here, let's rerun that one, you'll see the time has now changed to 4:17. However, in the log, which isn't displayed here, the update log, there is a history which keeps track of the fact that update number 2 was run at 4:14 and then it was run again at 4:17. And that log is a printable report. So you've got a much better audit trail with this new version. Okay, so that explains the database update screen. It's resizable, as all the other windows in PayPak 4 are going to be. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and come back again. Bye.